Today I'm sharing with you guys how to do this word by word animation effect that you guys have seen on screen right now. To me, this is one of my favorite effects, and it is very, very easy with the new text animator tool inside of Adobe Premiere. Now, I haven't seen a lot of tutorials in the Premiere sort of space about how to do this effect or how to use the text animator. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a deep dive on the tool. That way you guys can come away from this video, know exactly how to use it in your edits. And also I went ahead and made some presets. So if you guys want to check them out. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump straight into Adobe Premiere. So again, this is what we're gonna go ahead and be recreating in today's video. So a slide in up animation, an appear animation, and then also a fade in animation. Now, all of this is actually used not by using keyframes, but sort of these like, I don't know, transition sort of sliders that Premiere has. I'm not a technical nerd, so I don't know what this is exactly called. I should know, but I don't. I'm just gonna call it the transition sort of slider thing. Okay, so now you guys have the text that you guys wanna go ahead and edit, select it, go to the effects tab and type in text animator. Just like so, you guys are gonna go ahead and see the text animator, drag and drop it to the beginning of the clip, and it'll go ahead and do this to the, I guess, beginning of the clip or the text layer. And as you guys can see, if we play it through, it has its own like custom like made animation. But for us, we want to do the slide in up animation. So I'm gonna go ahead and select it. I'm gonna go to the preset. Let's go ahead and maybe do like a, let's see, what would be a good one? I guess we could honestly just do like a fade to start with, and that's gonna go ahead and do the fade effect, which by the way is this one. So honestly, if you guys want to do the fade in, that's exactly how you do it. Just a little preset right then and there. Or you guys could use my own viral text preset, which I'll show you guys later, but not right now. Okay, slide in up. Now we're gonna go ahead and we want to play with these settings. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this bigger for us. And the biggest ones that you guys wanna go ahead and change is, so to adjust the sort of slide in effect, you guys wanna go to the push, I think this is pull, or what is this? Push position. And you guys want it to be sort of drag it down like so. And as you can see, when you go back, it'll sort of do this whole slide in up animation, but you might realize like, yo, I don't like it doing letter by letter, or you might actually like that. And if you do, great, but I want it to do word by word. And the way that we're gonna go ahead and do that is by selecting the transition. We're gonna go over here to the advanced controls, and we're gonna go ahead and do object type, word, and then let's go ahead and see if it's actually working properly. And as you can see, it's not. So we need to change the word bias. Now, the word bias is essentially like how close are words. So if you turn it down, like my words are pretty close together, I'm just gonna turn it down and then maybe move this back as well so we can kind of see what's going on. If you turn it down, you'll see that it separates the words just like so. Now, if we play this through, it'll start doing word by word. And then there you guys go. You guys have the slide in up animation done. Now, these values will be different depending on the size of your text in the fonts and the spacing. So you kind of just got to play with this advanced control in the word bias. Now, if you're going to go ahead and do like letter or line, etc., let's say you had multiple lines of text, you would kind of just play around with the same exact settings to get the desired results. So yeah, that's how you guys go ahead and make the slide in up effect. And if you guys want to say this is a preset, which I have actually already done, you guys can go over here to the text animator, right click this and save preset. If you're not making presets inside of your own workflow, genuinely, you need to start doing that. It saves me so much time each and every single week, you know, editing content for me, my personal brand, and also my brand new job with HyperX. Like, I've been using my own presets each and every single day. And also, those same exact presets are the presets that I sell to you guys in my ViralREELS bundle for short form content editors. If that sounds interesting, go ahead, click the link down below. But real quick, I'm going to show you guys how to make this preset. So let's just say you want to make it like a little slide in preset, and then you could do the include transition duration. So if you want the duration to be the same exact duration each and every single time you drag and drop the preset, go ahead and select that. I'm just going to go ahead and anchor this to endpoint and not check that. Then I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. Right there, we have the slide in preset. So let's go ahead and test it on this one right here. Drag and drop, just like so. As you guys can see, it actually worked. And it looks pretty dang good. Sweet. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. And then we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next effect, which is the appear text animation. Now this one is actually a lot easier than the one we just did. So again, type in text animator, drag and drop the preset or effect, and then we're gonna go to fade. And then I'm honestly just gonna go ahead and turn this fade to 0%. As you guys can see, we have the appear transition kind of going on, but what we have going is the letters are coming in one at a time. We don't want that. So again, go to advanced controls, go to word, just like so. And then you guys will see, again, the word bias has to be changed to a lower value. And let's try this one out. Banger. There you guys go. You guys have the appear animation. Again, right click, save preset if you haven't already. And then this one we've already went over. So we're pretty much done with the tutorial, but real quick, just to show you guys, if you guys don't want to go through that whole hassle of creating them yourself and you kind of just want a done for you solution, I got you with the viral text pack. Again, this is inside of my ViralREELS bundle. So you can cop the bundle, or if you want to just cop this one text pack, you can go ahead and do so down below as well. But you go over here, text animators, and then you go to the word by word sort of effect that you want. So if you want sliding up, drag and drop it just like so. I'm gonna go ahead and select this, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and change the word bias to where it actually works. And once you change the word bias, it should be good to go. Now, again, this is tweaking, so I gotta change this a little bit lower, just like this. And there you guys go, done for you, super easy peasy. Same exact thing, same process for the appear and the fade. So that way you don't have to go ahead and create the preset yourself. You can go ahead, drag and drop it, adjust the word bias, and you're good to go. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you learned something, please leave a like, comment, subscribe down below. And if you made it this far, comment the word captions, and you may just make a special appearance in the next video. And also, if you're on mobile and you're still watching, go ahead and tap that hype button. I think if you scroll over to the right, like where like the subscribe, etc. is, there's a hype button. If you click that, then that's gonna help me a lot, kind of get seen by more people, which would honestly be super, super dope, because we're trying to hit 50,000 subscribers pretty soon here. Genuinely so thankful for each and every single one of you guys. Remember, take action, take over. Peace.